Rivmate's factory of self-clinching series products was established in 2020. Over the past 3 years, we have focused on the development of cold heading technology and the production of a series of self-clinching products. Our factory has achieved impressive results in the field of self-clinching products, with a monthly production capacity exceeding 100 million pieces. We have a dedicated laboratory for testing and analyzing product performance, ensuring the quality of our products. Our company has obtained the 16949 quality system certification and guarantees that 100% of our products undergo laser and manual screening, providing reassurance to our customers. The advantages of our self-clinching products lie in their wide variety, excellent quality, and long-term inventory availability. We have built a good reputation and a strong presence in the industry. Our products are widely used in equipment manufacturing, automotive industry, and new energy sectors. We are committed to continuously upgrading our existing products and developing new ones. Our goal is to become the most professional and influential self-clinching products manufacturer in China.